Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the August month's fab bag. So I just received the courier. Here it is. So I'll be reviewing the August 2018 fab bag. So quite early I got the fab bag, I can say. It's just the 1st of August and I got it. So let's quickly open the bag and see what are the products I got in this month's bag. Before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel and also comment below what type of videos you want to see in my channel, and also share this video with your friends and families. So let's get started with today's video. Once fab bags look something like this, though, so they relieved their bag in Facebook and I saw them. There are a couple of colors, combinations of like a pink and blue, and I got in black and maroon thing. So quite nice. The fabric is it's a good quality, I can say. So let's quickly begin and see what products we have. The first and the foremost thing is the information card. So this month's theme is the Own the Glam August fab bag, and here is the list of the products I have gotten. So as we talk about the products, we will see the products, I mean the price and the stuff like that. And as usual, they have the fab bag contest going on. So we can click a picture of the fab bag and post it in the Instagram, and we will be winning some goodies. So the first product that comes into my hand is this Fuchsia's activated charcoal detoxifying face and body scrub. So this is their Fuchsia is a very famous brand, and I like their products, especially their face washes. And this is the scrub, so detoxifying to face and body scrub. It contains aloe vera gel, vegetable glycerin, wheat germ oil, charcoal powder, olive oil and almond peel. It has all the good ingredients. So let's quickly open. So here is the product. As it contains charcoal, it is something black in color. So this is what the product looks like. It smells quite nice. As it has charcoal, I think it has a color of a grayish, but I can smell the almond oil and also some aloe vera in it. So the good, and as it's a scrub, I don't see, yeah, it has a tiny particles in it. It doesn't look very rough. Some scrubs have a very rough granules going on, which makes your skin very harsh, but this has a very tiny particles, as you can see. So I am very excited to try this product. And the price of this product, Fuchsia activated charcoal, it's a full size product and it retails for 250. Next product is the face sheet. It's not a face sheet actually, it's a nose mask, collage nose mask. So this is what it looks like, and this retails for 200 rupees. This is also a full size product. I have tried their full face mask and it works good actually. They have a great serum in it, so good. So the next product is from the brand Sugar. So I got a mail from Fab Bag saying we can choose one product from the Sugar. So I went with their Sugar BB cream because I have their blush already. I have their highlighters. They had an option of choosing the eyeshadow palette as well, but I wanted to try that BB cream, so I just picked up this Sugar BB cream, and I'm in the shade 03, and it says the goodness of flawless, and it has a SPF of 30 plus, and that's a good thing. Let's quickly open and see if that matches my skin tone. This is what the product looks like. It comes with a black tube, and once you open up, this is what the product looks like. Oh, it comes out very quickly, and it doesn't have any smell as such. So let's quickly blend on back of my hand. It has the texture of mousse foundation. It's something like a MAC mousse foundation. It's similar to that. It's very soft and doesn't make your skin sticky, and hope it matches my skin tone as well. Very excited and good. I chose their BB cream. If you want to see the full review on their BB cream, please comment below. I'll be doing that as well. And this retails for 799 rupees. The final product is from the brand Bio Gloam, and it's their skincare face moisturizer. This is what the product looks like, and this retails for 150 rupees. This is a 50 ml product, and it contains vanilla, jojoba oil, and a cucumber. That's a very good thing, and it suits for all skin type. So let's quickly open this. Wow, it smells a great of a vanilla essence in it. This is a white based cream. I hope it doesn't make my skin very greasy, because some moisturizer tend to make your skin very greasy. I don't want that. Okay, it absorbs very quickly. You can see it just disappeared in a second. It is quite sticky, but it's not so much. We can set it using a compact powder, and it smells great, vanilla. So yeah, that's the end of the video. That's the products I got in my August FAG bag. I'm very happy with the moisturizer and also sugar BB cream. Hope this video was very informative, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with friends and families. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.